Hey everybody, this could be a really embarrassing video or this could go spectacularly. I've got a little project that I've been wanting to put together for you guys just to see how I hang my kayaks in my basement. I've been searching YouTube for quite a while trying to find a great way to hang them. I was just never satisfied with what I found, so I invented my own way, so let's check it out. So to begin with, I marked off my lines where my studs were in my ceiling. You can see the pencil line up there, and I did a line down that way for the other set for the bow and the stern of my two-person kayak. So you're going to have to measure where you want yours according to the length of your kayaks, whether it's a single person or a two-person like ours are. Once I got my holes drilled, I found these large hooks with pads on them. Don't necessarily need to be padded, but I found these padded hooks at Home Depot, and I got myself some really heavy duty, what does it say, 766 pound working load limit, or whatever that says, packing straps, you know, like moving straps. I use those to hold the kayaks. Okay, this is the part of the video that could get embarrassing, but bear with me. I was able to do this by myself last time, and I think that's one of the beauties of doing it this way with these hooks and these straps. So let's give it a shot. So I'm going to take this strap, and I'm going to go under the, what is this? This is the stern of my kayak. I'm going to loop it underneath. And take my hook, go on to my back hook right there. Oopsie, wrong one. Pull some slack out. Kayak onto my strap here. Get this locked in place. Get some slack up on this. Go to this side. Before it falls off, we're going to do the exact same thing. Take our strap. This hook to the back hook, and we're going to go underneath. Take my hook, hook it up to the back side, tip this guy. Woo, look at that, nice against the wall. Let's pull some slack out of this guy, shall we? Okay. Lift this up. Oh, I didn't put any slack on that one. Don't forget to do that. Because of that, I have to, or I mean, I didn't ratchet it. So this part's a little lengthy, but see how I'm just kind of going up, like up the wall? Just crawling up the wall. Right here. Oh, just slack this one. There we go. Pull that up the wall. Lock it in place. There is kayak number one on my wall. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the back side. Take my hook, and I'm actually going to go behind this one here. I'm going to hook onto this hook like so. We're going to do the exact same thing on this one. Take my other strap. Behind it, hook onto my first one. I want my weight for this on this one. I don't want all the weight on just one hook. Just, I don't know, over-engineered, I guess. I just want to be safe, right? Okay, I've got my second kayak in. I'm going to do the exact same thing. on my hooks, pick up one end, go underneath. Boom, hung. There we go. Saved me a bunch of space. I don't like the shelves sticking out, so now they're up against the wall this back way. So it just saves me like what, like 18 inches, maybe 20 inches of space so that they're up against the wall. Now I'm just gonna clean up the rest of this room. But I think it's a great way of hanging them. They've never fallen or anything like that. They're way into the studs. I think the thread on these guys is probably like 4 inches, so it goes way deep into the studs. And it saves a lot of room. It isn't as obtrusive into the room as the big shelves that you see some of the other people make, which it's cool for them if they're in a garage, but like this room for us is really multi-purpose. I do photography in here, we do crafts with the kids in here, stuff like that. So anyway, if this works for you, then maybe like and subscribe, and I hope that I hope somebody can use this. That'd be great. All right, see ya.